Good day, kids! We are on our week 6 topic in geometry. Alam kong excited na kayo sa panibagong lesson natin. Pero bago ang lahat, ihanda muna ninyo ang inyong mga papel at panulat para sa inyong lecture ngayong araw. Are you ready? Great! Our topic for this week is about the interior and exterior angle of a convex polygon. We mentioned last time that convex polygons are polygons that has its diagonals formed inside. And today, we are going to focus on the interior and exterior angle of a convex polygon. Pero bago ang ating lesson, alamin muna natin ang ating goal or target in this topic at tayo ay mag-review sa mga nakaraang lessons natin. Goal: derives inductively the relationship of the interior and exterior angle of a convex polygon. Determine the sum of the measures of the interior and exterior angles of a convex polygon. Ngayong araw, aalamin natin ano ba ang relationship ng interior and exterior angles ng convex polygon at ano ba ang sum o kabuang sukat ng mga angles nito. At upang mas maunawaan ninyo ang ating lesson, tayo muna ay magkaroon ng mabilisang recap tungkol sa ating mga nakaraang aralin. Kinda look at the polygon below. What kind of polygon according to sides is the polygon at the left? Very good. It is a pentagon or a polygon with 5 sides. Let's have its interior and exterior angles. Can you remember where is the interior angle and where is the exterior angle? Very good. This is the interior angle, the angle inside the polygon, and this is the exterior angle, the angle formed outside the polygon when we extend one of its sides. Now try to remember the angle pairs that we have discussed. What do you think is the angle relationship of its interior and exterior angles? Great! The interior and exterior angles formed in a polygon is a linear pair. Linear pair is supplementary and adjacent, and it has 2 angles with a sum of 180 degrees. Muli, ang linear pair ay dalawang angles na supplementary at adjacent o magkatabi at may total na 180 degrees. Since we already know that the interior and exterior angles are linear pair, let's try to find the missing angle measurement. By having 115 degrees as the measurement of our interior angle, what is the measurement of the exterior angle? Remember, linear pair are 2 angles with a sum of 180 degrees. Let's solve this by having 115 plus n is equal to 180 degrees. Saan natin nakuha ang 115? Magaling! Ito ay ang sukat ng ating interior angle. At ang n naman ay ang measurement ng ating missing angle. Ang 115 at n ay i-equal natin sa 180 degrees. Bakit nga ba 180 degree ang total? Magaling! Dahil linear pair ang ating mga angles. At upang ma-solve natin ito, gaya sa rule ng ating mga nakaraang topics sa polynomial at integer, kailangan nating pagsamahin ang like or common terms. Kaya, ililipat natin ang 115 para maging magkasama sila ng common constant na 180. May iwan ang ating variable n sa kaliwang side at ito ang magsisilbing measurement ng nawawalang sukat natin. Tandaan na kapag tayo ay naglilipat ng term, magbabago tayo ng sign kaya ito ay magiging n is equal to 180 minus 115. Again, we need to follow the rule in subtraction of integers. First, keep change, and then proceed to the addition rule. Add the common sign, and subtract the unlike sign, then copy the sign of the greater absolute value. And our math sentence will be n is equal to 180 plus negative 115. Do not forget to follow the rule. And n, or the measurement of missing angle, is 65 degrees. 115 degrees plus 65 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Ngayon naman ay pag-usapan natin ang interior angles ng isang convex polygon. What is the interior angle of a convex polygon? Interior angle of a convex polygon is an angle inside the polygon at one of its vertices. Tandaan na ang interior angle ng convex polygon ay ang angle sa loob na nabubuo sa pagsasama ng dalawang adjacent side at may common o iisang vertex. The polygon with more than 3 sides can be subdivided into triangles by drawing all the diagonals from one vertex. Ang mga polygon naman na may 4 o higit pang sides ay maaaring hatiin sa mga triangle na mabubuo sa loob nito sa pamamagitan ng paglalagay ng mga diagonals. Halimbawa, by having our convex pentagon, can you tell me how many triangles are formed inside by having its diagonals? Very good! We have formed 3 triangles inside the convex pentagon. Tignan naman natin ang ating convex quadrilateral. Ilan naman ang nabuo nating tatsulok sa loob nito? Mahusay! May nabuo tayong 2 tatsulok dito. Take note that the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. Tandaan na ang kabuang sukat ng mga angles o ng 3 angles sa isang triangle ay laging may total na 180 degrees. In the pentagon that we have on the left, we have 3 triangles formed in it. Since triangle has 180-degree total interior angle measurement, and we have 3 triangles in our pentagon, therefore, 3 times 180 degrees is equal to 540 degrees. Pentagon has 540 degrees sum of its interior angles. Tandaan na ang convex pentagon ay may 540-degree total measurement ng interior angles. Bakit nga kaya 540 degrees? Magaling! Dahil ang isang convex pentagon ay may 3 triangle tayong mabubuo. Ang isang triangle ay may kabuuang sukat ng mga interior angles na 180 degrees. Kaya 3 triangles times 180 degrees is equal to 540 degrees. In the quadrilateral that we have on the left, we have 2 triangles formed in it. Since triangle has 180-degree total interior angle measurement, and we have 2 triangles in our quadrilateral, therefore, 2 times 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Quadrilateral has 360 degrees sum of its interior angles. Tandaan na ang convex quadrilateral ay may 360-degree total measurement ng interior angles. Bakit nga ulit 360 degrees? Mahusay! Dahil sa isang convex quadrilateral, may 2 triangle tayong nabuo. Ang isang triangle ay may kabuang sukat ng mga interior angle na 180 degrees. Kaya 2 triangles times 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Now let's study the table below. We have polygon, number of sides, number of triangles formed, and the sum of the interior angles. Remember from the example a while ago, we multiplied the triangles formed inside the polygon to 180 degrees to get the sum of the interior angles. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang triangle. Alam natin na mayroon itong 3 sides. At sa tatlong sides ay makakabuo tayo ng isang triangle. So 1 times 180 degrees na kabuuan ng lahat ng interior angles ng isang triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. At mayroon tayong dalawang triangle na mabubuo dito kapag tayo ay gumuhit ng isang diagonal. 2 times 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Pentagon ay may 5 sides. At mayroon tayong tatlong triangle na mabubuo kapag tayo ay gumuhit ng mga diagonals. 3 times 180 degrees is equal to 540 degrees. Hexagon ay ang polygon na may 6 na sides. At sa pamamagitan ng mga diagonals na iguguhit natin dito, tayo ay makakabuo ng 4 na triangles. 4 times 180 degrees is equal to 720 degrees. Heptagon o ang polygon na may 7 sides. At sa pamamagitan ng mga diagonals nito, tayo ay makakabuo ng 5 triangles sa loob ng heptagon. 5 times 180 degrees is equal to 900 degrees. N-gon. Don't forget that n means the number of sides. And the formula to find the triangles formed in n-gon is n minus 2. For us to get the sum of the interior angles of an n-gon, we need to multiply n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Kung titignan ninyo ang number of triangles formed in a convex polygon, laging bawas ng 2 ang mga ito. Tignan ang triangle. 3 ang number of sides nito, minus 2 is equal to 1 triangle formed. Tignan ang pentagon. 5 minus 2, gamit ang ating formula sa n-gon, is equal to 3. At 3 ang triangles na mabubuo sa loob ng ating convex pentagon. Tignan ang heptagon. Muli, sa pamamagitan ng n minus 2 na formula, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 5 ang triangles na mabubuo sa loob ng ating convex heptagon. And do not forget to remember, n minus 2 times 180 degrees is the formula to find the sum of the interior angles of a convex polygon. Remember, the sum of the measure of the interior angles of any polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. Example, quadrilateral has 4 sides. Therefore, 4 minus 2 times 180 will be 2 times 180 is equal to 360 degrees. Let's try. Find the sum of the interior angle of an octagon. Remember that octagon has 8 sides. We are going to use the formula n minus 2 times 180 degrees to find the sum of its interior angles. 8 is the side of the octagon, so we need to replace n by 8. 8 minus 2 multiplied to 180 degrees. 8 minus 2 is 6. And we are going to multiply 6 to 180 degrees. Kindly look at our figure. Makikita nyo dito na mayroon talagang 6 na triangles na mabubuo sa isang convex octagon. Again, 6 times 180 degrees is equal to 1080 degrees. And 1080 degrees is the sum of the interior angles of an octagon. Ngayon naman ay pag-aralan natin ang exterior angles of a convex polygon. Exterior angles of a convex polygon is an angle that is both supplement and adjacent to one of its interior angles. Remember, The interior and the exterior angles at each vertex form a linear pair. Muli, ang exterior angle ng isang polygon ay nabubuo kung i-extend natin ang isang side nito. Ito ay ka-linear pair, supplement at adjacent ng ating interior angle o dalawang angles na magkatabi at may total na 180 degrees kapag pinagsama. Ito ang example ng mga interior at exterior angles na linear pair sa isa't isa. Let's study the table below. We have polygon, number of linear pair, sum of linear pair on vertices, sum of the interior angles, and sum of the exterior angles. Ang linear pair ng isang polygon ay nakadepende kung ilang sides mayroon ito. Kagaya ng triangle, dahil meron tayong tatlong sides, mayroon din tayong mabubuong tatlong linear pairs. At tandaan na ang linear pairs ay dalawang angle na kapag pinagsama ay mayroong 180 degrees total. At upang makuha natin ang sum of linear pairs on vertices, i-multiply natin ang 180 degrees sa number of linear pair. At dahil mayroon tayong tatlong linear pair sa ating triangle, 3 times 180 degrees is equal to 540 degrees. Huwag kalimutan na upang makuha natin ang sum of interior angles, gamitin natin ang formula na n-2 multiplied to 180 degrees. At napag-aralan natin kanina na ang sum of interior angles ng ating triangle ay 180 degrees. At upang makuha natin ang sum of the exterior angles, kailangan nating i-minus sa sum of linear pair on vertices ang sum of interior angles. Kaya 540 degrees minus 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Pumunta naman tayo sa quadrilateral. Ang quadrilateral ay may apat na linear pairs. Kaya 4 times 180 degrees is equal to 720 degrees. Tandaan na ang quadrilateral ay may sum of interior angles na 360 degrees. Kaya upang makuha natin ang sum of exterior angles nito, i-minus natin sa 720 degrees ang 360 degrees. 720 minus 360 is equal to 360 degrees. Ang pentagon ay may 5 linear pairs. At ang sum of linear pair on vertices nito ay 5 times 180 degrees equals to 900 degrees. Tandaan na ang sum of interior angles ng pentagon ay 540 degrees. Kaya 900 minus 540 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Ang hexagon ay may 6 linear pairs. At upang makuha natin ang sum of linear pair on vertices, i-multiply natin ang 6 sa 180 degrees. At ito ay may product na 1080 degrees. Tandaan na ang sum of interior angles ng isang hexagon ay 720 degrees. Kaya 1080 degrees minus 720 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Ang heptagon ay may 7 linear pairs. At upang makuha natin ang sum of linear pair on vertices, i-multiply natin ang 7 times 180 degrees. At ito ay may product na 1260 degrees. Muli, ang sum of interior angles ng isang heptagon ay 900 degrees. At upang makuha natin ang sum of exterior angles nito, i-minus natin sa 1260 degrees ang 900 degrees. At ito ay may sagot na 360 degrees. At para naman sa n-gon, tandaan na ang n ay sumisimbolo sa number of linear pair. At para makuha natin sa n-gon ang sum of linear pair on vertices, i-multiply natin ang 180 degrees kay n. At para makuha muli ang sum of interior angles, huwag kakalimutan ang nabanggit nating formula na n-2 times 180 degrees. At laging tatandaan na sa lahat ng convex polygons, ang sum of exterior angles ay laging 360 degrees. Always remember, the sum of exterior angles is equal to the sum of linear pairs minus the sum of interior angles. And this is equal to 180 degrees times n minus n minus 2 multiplied to 180 degrees. And the answer is always 360 degrees. Therefore, we can say that no matter how many sides of a polygon has, the sum of the measure of the exterior angles are always 360 degrees. Example, we have a triangle. Do not forget that this is the formula in finding the sum of the exterior angles. Sum of the exterior angles is equal to 180 degrees times n minus n minus 2 multiplied to 180 degrees. Since we have 3 sides of a triangle and 3 linear pairs formed in it, we are going to replace n by 3. So this will be 180 degrees times 3 minus 3 minus 2 multiplied to 180 degrees. And this will become 540 degrees minus 180 degrees. And the sum of the exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. Now let's solve for the exterior angle of an octagon. Do not forget that this is our formula. We already studied that octagon has 8 sides. And since it has 8 sides, octagon also have 8 linear pairs. Now let's substitute 8 for n. 180 degrees times 8 minus 8 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 180 times 8 is equal to 1,440. And 8 minus 2 is 6. 1,440 degrees minus 6 times 180 degrees will be 1,440 degrees minus 1,080 degrees. And our answer for the sum of exterior angles of an octagon is 360 degrees. Now let's try this. What is the measure of one exterior angle of a regular decagon? Do not forget that the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. Regular decagon is a 10-sided polygon that is both equilateral and equiangular. To find the measure of one of its exterior angle, we need to divide 360 degrees to its 10 sides. 360 degrees divided by its 10 sides is equal to 36 degrees. And 36 degrees is the measure of one of the exterior angle of a regular decagon. Now let's find the measure of one of the interior angles of a regular polygon with 5 sides. Always remember that the interior and the exterior angles at each vertex form a linear pair. Linear pair are angle pairs that is supplementary and adjacent and with a sum of 180 degrees. Now let's use n for the measurement of the missing angle. For us to solve this, let's create our math sentence. And this will be 72 plus n is equal to 180 degrees. Tandaan na kailangan nating ilipat ang 72 sa kabilang side upang makuha natin ang value ni n. Huwag kalimutan na kapag tayo ay maglilipat ng term, tayo ay magbabago ng sign. And also, do not forget the rule in the subtraction of integers. And our math sentence will be n is equal to 180 degrees minus 72. By following the rule in subtraction of integers, our math sentence will be n is equal to 180 plus negative 72. And our n is equal to 108. The measurement of our missing angle is 108 degrees. 108 degrees plus 72 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Muli, nakatapos na naman tayo ng ating aralin. Malinaw ba ang lahat ng ating napag-aralan? Mahusay! May katanungan ba ang bawat isa? Very good! Talagang pinapatunayan ninyo na mahuhusay kayong lahat. At dahil wala kayong tanong, si Ma'am Ellie ang magtatanong sa inyo upang malaman natin ang inyong mga natutunan. Handa na ba kayo? Let's review. What is an interior angle? Very good. Interior angle is an angle inside the polygon. This is formed by the union of two adjacent sides of the polygon and it has a common point called vertex. Now, what is an exterior angle? Right. Exterior angle is an angle formed outside the polygon when we extend one side of it. Do not forget, interior and exterior angles of a polygon is a linear pair. How to get the sum of the measurement of the interior angle of a polygon? Ano nga ang formula na gagamitin natin para makuha ang kabuang sukat ng lahat ng interior angle ng isang polygon? Tama! Ito ay ang n-2 times 180 degrees. How to get the sum of the measurement of the exterior angle of a polygon? Ano nga ulit ang formula para makuha ang kabuang sukat ng lahat ng exterior angle ng isang polygon? Tama! Ito ay ang sum of linear pairs minus sum of interior angles, o 180 degrees times n minus n-2 times 180 degrees. Napakahusay ninyo talaga, kids! Talagang nakikinig kayo sa ating aralin. At dahil nalaman kong marami kayong natutunan, dagdagan pa natin ang inyong kaalaman sa pamamagitan ng pagsasagot ng ating mga practice exercises. Ipapaliwanag ko muna sa inyo ang gagawin bago kayo magsagot sa inyong mga papel at ito ay itatama natin sa susunod na linggo. Handa na ba kayo? Practice Exercise 1. Draw the following figures in your notebook and construct all the diagonals, if possible, from one vertex to the other to form a triangle. Ang dapat ninyong gawin sa gawaing ito ay i-drawing ang mga polygon na ibinigay at iguhit sa loob nito ang lahat ng mga posibleng maging diagonal upang makabuo ng mga tatsulok mula sa magkakalayong vertices. Practice Exercise 2. Given the following sums of the linear pairs and vertices and the sum of the interior angles of the polygon, find the sum of the exterior angles of the polygons. Show your solution. Sa pamamagitan ng mga data na ibinigay o mga sukat sa degrees, maging ang formula mula sa ating aralin, isolve ninyo ang sum of exterior angles. Ipakita ninyo ang paraan kung paano ito nakuha. Umaasa akong matatapos ninyo ang inyong mga gawain. Laging mag-ensayo sa math dahil the only way to learn mathematics is do the mathematics. This is your Ma'am L.A. Thank you and see you on the next week's video.